Oopsie. Beep, 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 beep. It's a time to see my good friend the cat. Let me just knock on the closet. Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Ah! Hello. Hello, what can we do? Or we can mess with my father. That sounds like a good idea. That was a long day on the gym. Time to work out. First do a dumbbell.
Putang ina, nasa court ka na ngayon?
Ako ba?
Wala lang. Ano, sarap lang ka nakain mo ah. Gutom tuloy ako. Pre, punta dito sa bahay pagluto mo ako. Punta ka dito sa bahay pagluto mo ako. Saan mo? Itlog. Putang na pre, nakaka... May papansin oh. Punta ba kayo?
Bakit nasa court pa sila?
Oy, bakit daw nasa court pa?
Bakit nasa court pa kayo? Kita kong morning pala. Ikaw ba?
Oo yan pre. Ano? Gagawin ako, niloloko ko lang kayo. Wait lang oh. Anong oras kayo?
So where are those freaks? That freaking idiot. Go on, Joel. Go on. As much as it is. If we say so. Sorry, Dad. If you go in the closet again, you can heal up. Okay, if I say so. Well.